bago kabalin, welcome to Fernando Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa SM Telabastagan to witness itong bagong-bagong hotpot na magbubukas dito.
Guys, this is our third time sa Kaixin Hotpot, but this is their first branch naman dito sa Telabastagan. So samahan niyo po kami anong nangyayari dito, and of course, papakita namin yung mga pagkain.
So tara, let's go!
Joy, ayun siya guys. Nami-mixture siya ng mga bisita. Parang birthday na rin namin, no? Parang pa-birthday na rin namin. And hi! Alright! Dami nito. Mga sahog mo, may mushroom. Dito yung mga meatballs, and then dito sa banda na to, may mga greens tayo, mga vegetables. Tapos dito naman mga noodles. Paumpisa natin sa mga mga meatballs. Grabe yung mga tao dito, ang dami ngayon. Now, this section, dito tayo titimpla ng ating sausawan. So meron tayong chili, satay, peanut, sugar, kasi we all name it. Right? This is good enough? Pag-usapan muna natin yung kanilang menu. So, you're gonna be asked kung ano yung soup ninyo. Either a bone marrow, a seafood, spicy, mushroom at chop, kung may ito. Yung fresh food, ito yung mga meat natin, guys. Meron tayong shrimp, meron din tayong beef, at saka ng pork. So, the rest of the components ng shabu-shabu mo, you're gonna get dun sa chiller cabinet nila. So, ayun, this is already cooking. Pwede na tayong kumain. Second bowl. At ayun nga guys, for only 699 pesos, you're gonna enjoy this unlimited, similar to all other branches po ng Kaixin. 699 pesos po sila. You gotta check this out if you're into these kinds of food. Not the typical Filipino, no? Parang Chinese style shabu-shabu. Sobrang busog ko guys. So yun, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.